Day 33, bridge the gap with ChatGPT. Friends, this is going to be a journey today, and we're going to dive into something that's absolutely crucial for your success. Learning how to bridge that gap between you and your perfect customer using ChatGPT. If you've ever felt like your message isn't quite connecting to your audience, this is the game-changing strategy that I want to help you with, and it's really what you've been waiting for. So let's start with the fundamental truth about marketing. Your perfect customer is out there right now, struggling with a problem they desperately want to solve. They're searching for answers. They're feeling frustrated. They're looking for someone who truly understands what they're going through. This is where the magic of building the gaps come in. When you can articulate their struggles better than they can themselves, they'll instantly recognize that you're someone who can help them. Think about it this way. Have you ever had someone describe exactly what you're feeling and you thought, yes, that's it exactly? That's the power of bridging the gap. It creates immediate connection, builds trust, and positions you as their natural solution to their problems. ChatGPT is your secret weapon in crafting these powerful, connecting messages. Here's what makes this approach so effective. When you can mirror your customer's initial dialogue, you're not just marketing to them, you're speaking directly to their hearts. You're showing them that you've walked in their shoes, you've understand their challenges, and you found a way forward. The level of understanding what transforms casual viewers into engaged followers and eventually into loyal customers. Now let's get practical about how to use this ChatGPT and to create these bridge gaps. Start by identifying 3 certain worries or pain points that your perfect customer experiences. Be as detailed as possible. What keeps them up at night? What frustrations do they face daily? And what goals seem to just be out of their reach? Once you have these worries identified, it's time to put those into ChatGPT to work. Simply prompt it to write me 5 video hooks that speak to these certain worries, and then the AI will generate various approaches to addressing the pain point and giving you multiple ways to connect with your audience. This is like having the master copywriter at your fingertips, helping you craft the perfect message. The key to success in this strategy is this. You have to be certain and authentic about everything. Don't be afraid to dig deep into the emotional aspects of your customer struggles. The more you strategize, the more genuine your message is, the more powerful it will resonate. ChatGPT will help you find the right words, but understanding the needs to come from the experience and the empathy. As you create these messages, remember that clarity is your best friend. Your audience should immediately recognize themselves in your words. And if they have to work to understand how your message relates to them, you've already lost their attention. Using ChatGPT to refine your language until it's crystal clear and directly speaks to their experience. Here's your action step for today. Take one of the worries that you identified using your ChatGPT to create your 5 different hooks. Choose your favorite one to create a piece of content around. Whether it's a video, a post, an email, focus on bridging that gap between where your audience is now and where they want to be. Your challenge is to create that bridge the gap piece of content today using ChatGPT as your assistant. When you've completed this challenge, comment bridge below. And remember, every time you're successful bridge the gap to your audience, you're not just creating content, you're creating connections that can transform both your business and your customer's life. Friends, one thing for sure is I want to tell you, ChatGPT can be your best friend. And you talk to it like it's your best friend because it will take you in places that you're not really for sure about. It will explain to you exactly how to do your business in a professional way that you need to know in order to bridge those gaps. Guess what? We'll see you tomorrow for the next day. Have a blessed one.